Hello everybody, Houston here. I hope you guys are doing well, having a great day or a great night. And let's jump into the charts. Okay, just a second. Okay, let's go. So first, let's take a closer look on our key level for this range, which is, just a second. Just one more second, please. 008. Okay, so as you guys can see, we haven't breached this level yet, and I don't believe we are going to make it on the next attempt, okay? But there is another thing here. Let me take a closer look. Okay, so after this candle here, this was a transition candle, okay? Because we went all the way without any objection from the other side. And as you guys can see, we always end up with strong rejection in all the candles. So far there is no news, unless the bulls make their way above and defend this level, okay? Because it doesn't matter if we breach and then end up rejected again, okay? So what we are looking for, if is the scenario for this kind of behavior, it's a close above and maintain, defend this level before talking about new highs, okay? Let's take a look on the weekly. Oh, and I was missing this one out. Okay, so here, this last candle here on the monthly, it's a bearish spinning top. Okay, so it's not a bullish candle, but we still have 11 days left to play out here, okay? So have this in mind as well. Okay, so here, what we have here is a not symmetrical continuation attempt from the bulls, okay? But the only problem here, just one second. Well, okay, it's the opacity. I can take it now. So okay, I'll draw it anyway. So we are still trading in an inside bar range. Okay, so after the bear attempt, we still trading inside, which is not great news. Okay, but the bulls still can manage their way out. Okay, but again, as you guys can see here, we are saw in the monthly chart rejections. Okay, so even if we make here, this is bearish territory. Okay, so let's watch out. And now let's take a closer look. Okay, here we have a somewhat a bullish divergence from OBV. Let's take a look on volume. Okay, so here is the thing. Since this guy here, we are making lower highs and also double tops, and the volume is decreasing, buyer's volume is decreasing, so it's a red flag, okay, not a bullish flag or a green flag. And let's take a look on the 3 days. Okay, so again, the rejections, bearish candles, bearish spinning top again, engulfing candle, making shadow in all the previous gains. And now we have two indecision candles that are bearish spinning tops. Just one second, please. Okay, let's go. Sorry, second. Okay, so these two candles here, they are not great, okay, by any means. And as we saw in the previous time frame, we're still trading inside the bearish candle. Okay, so at this moment, right now, the bears are in control. Okay, unless something change here. OBV is bullish. We also have bullish divergence here, as you guys can see, which is great for the bulls. But I don't believe we are ready yet. Okay, so what we may look for, we can do this. So this range right here, this whole range, is going to be a place for bear and bull traps. Okay, because it's a tight range and we have strong buying and buyers and sellers activity around this level. Okay, so we already saw this in the past and maybe we are going to saw it again. Okay, now let's take a look on the daily. So here is the thing, as you guys can see, we have multiple indecision candles. Okay, almost all of them. Taking out these two guys here, it's all indecision candles. Okay, all of them. And in my opinion, this is because of Bitcoin behavior. Okay, because we know if Bitcoin make it, and probably will, to 10,500, we are going to see some bullish move here. Okay, and it can be retest of 008 again. Okay, so remember, this is bears territory and they will be waiting here. Okay, they are already here, they already show. And so let's watch out. Let's take a look on the 4 hours. um, so nothing great here, nothing special. This is somewhat valid, not, it's also speculation as well. Okay, I'm not going to lie. And in order to have a ascending triangle here, you will need it. It would be best to have another touch here before making the leap. But again, we're still trading inside the bears sell-off. Okay, so as you guys can see, this is bears and this is bulls. Okay, so it's a lower high compared to all the previous action from the bears. So again, if XLM is going to make a new high here, or even a double top or another lower high, or 8008, we will need another structure here. Okay, that can also be something like this, ascending triangle, because anything at this point below here, it's bearish. Okay, so this is the reason we are still maintaining this range here. It's like an attempt to make this pattern here, this structure for continuation cheaper. Okay, because there's a lot of there's not enough momentum. And as we can see here, we can see buyers volume fading. Can you see? So this is not bullish. Okay, but we will keep watching for right now. This move here is following Bitcoin. You guys can take a look on it. So let's take a closer look. So it's still not bullish, but even if we cover this guy here, we still need a lot of momentum, okay, in order to keep going. So that there is nothing clear yet. We will keep watching, and let's take a quick look on the 1 hour. Okay, so exactly like Bitcoin, almost the same behavior. Okay, so if we do a quick measure here, we already made it to the golden, and now for if we are going straight to the 780 or the 60, it will need a lot of momentum, because it's already we already have this strong impulse here, and we made it to the 50. So it is possible to develop another structure here. It doesn't matter the side we go, because right now for continuation we have to breach this guy and this guy here. Okay, so, and remember, this is 1 hour chart with 1 hour outcome. Okay, so and we are very close to 008, and also 0087. Okay, so let's watch and stay on track. We don't know how this will play out for now, but we are going to have more clues soon. Okay, so let me take a quick look on the chat. Sean, hello Sean. Future boy, hello my friend, how are you doing? Yo Sid, how are you doing my friend? We need to back test just like how BTC is doing. Yes, yes. Need to let this cool off to determine the next trend. Uh, I don't know, because to have a shifting trend, we need higher highs and higher lows, and we still don't have it. So it's like Tom and Jerry, you know. We have to wait. We can draw lines and trend lines and oh no, this is it. Because I still believe we are going to have one more leg down for Bitcoin, and so we are also going to have one more for XLM as well. Okay, because we know XLM and many other coins are not behaving against Bitcoin, but they are following Bitcoin. So I think it's soon for now, because we still have some room to sustain, to keep going, maybe a little up, even with another lower high. But so far it's only clues. Okay, we need more info. So that's one of the reasons I will keep updating, so we keep on track. You're welcome, CD. Thank you. Thank you. Crazy Leo. When Moon. I don't believe we are going to see Moon now. Yes, we need to see the higher lows. Indeed, indeed. Because we will make our analysis based on facts. And only the facts will tell us if we had a reversal or not. Hello, John. How are you doing, my friend? I believe also that more leg down in BTC. Yes, yes. Because we are already overdue since the 3,800 till now. So won't be healthy. And we are expecting for it. We also have some targets as well. And well, for now that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was a quick one because I already covered almost all aspects of it in the last video. And forgive me for my broken English. Also, my throat is killing me, so sorry. And don't forget to hit the like button, share with your friends, subscribe. We are exchanging my knowledge for your time, okay? so we grow together. This is it, friends. I will see you guys soon. Perhaps an update on Zilliqa, okay, and maybe Ethereum as well. So thank you again. I will see you guys soon.